Right, guy, go. Right, Angelique, guy's going to show us the bodyweight warm-up again. He's just doing 5 ladies push-ups so that the ladies can see exactly how it must be done. And then he's going to do 5 normal military push-ups and then go into 10 mountain climbers per leg and then 10 bodyweight squats again. And you're going to be completing 3 sets of the bodyweight warm-up. So it'll be 10 push-ups, 10 mountain climbers per leg, 10 bodyweight squats by 3 sets without any rest. Your goal to complete it under 2 minutes, and if you're good, under 1.5 minutes. Right, once guys finished here, the 2 exercises he'll be demonstrating for you will be the dumbbell swing and a toe squat. And in the first set, you'll obviously just be doing 10 reps of the dumbbell swing and 10 reps of the toe squat, and then 2 minutes of high intensity cardio of his choice. That'll be set number 1. Set number 2, you will start with 10 dumbbell swings again, and then 10 toe squats, and then immediately go to 8 dumbbell swings and 8 toe squats, and then 2 minutes cardio of your choice again. Then on set number 3, it'll be starting off with 10 dumbbell swings again and 10 toe squats, and then 8, 8, and then 6, 6, and 2 minutes cardio. And remember, once you start your first set, you can actually check the clock and see that you can complete 3 sets of 10, 8, 6 with 2 minutes cardio in under 20 minutes. Guys holding the dumbbell on the plate, you can actually hold the dumbbell across the handle if it's a bit more comfortable for you that way. Right, guy squats down and he looks in front of him at all times. Alright, now the toe squats. Go down, touch your toes, and you go down as fast as possible and extend up, down and up. And he's only going to be completing 10 reps here for video purposes. Alright, give it a shot. Let me know.